This dance is called Goodbye, Auf Wiedersehen. It's a 32 count, full wall, beginner plus level line dance. Starting on the right foot, walking forward, right, left. Into a right shuffle, 1 and 2 count timing steps, right, close, right. Step forward on the left, pivot half a turn to the right, shuffle forward on the left, 1 and 2 count timing steps again, right, close, right. That set of steps once more, walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left. Into a cross shuffle again, 1 and 2 count timing steps, crossing right over left, left to the side, right over left, cross side cross. We're going to now put on a hinge half turn. You're going to effectively make half a turn in total, but it's made up of 2 quarter turns. And you're going to effectively be turning backwards. So your first quarter turn is to the right as you step that left back. Now make sure with all these turns you do turn your body, don't just twist. Another quarter turn to the right as you step that right to the side. That is your hinge half turn. Add on, just to finish this section, another cross shuffle, left over right, cross, side, cross. So 1 and 2 count timing step. So that section once more, then rocking to the side on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross shuffle. Let's add that to the top. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross shuffle. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on the left. You're now going to make a toe half turn. So touch your right toe back, pivot yourself on that right toe, half a turn to the right. Cross the left over the right, point right to the side, cross right over left, point left to the side. So it's your toe half turn and 2 cross points. So that section once more then, forward rock off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, toe, turn, cross, point, cross, point. Let's add that to the top. Walk, walk off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross shuffle, forward rock, turn, turn, cross, point, cross, point. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight back on that right. Now we're going to do a coaster step and we're going to put a quarter turn in it. So you're going to turn yourself a quarter left as you step that left back. Then you bring the feet together and step the left forward. So that's your coaster step, but you put a quarter turn on to start with, so it actually makes it a toaster step, a turning coaster. To finish the dance then, we're going to add on a jazz box. So cross the right over the left, step the left back, right to the side, left beside the right. Jazz box to end. So that last section then, from our point, forward rock into that turning coaster. 7, 8, forward rock, toaster step, cross, back, side, close. So remember with your toaster, you're making that quarter turn to start with as you step back on that left foot. So that is the end of the dance when you get to that point. Let's put it all together. Walking forward, off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle. Side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross shuffle. Forward rock, toe, turn, cross, point, cross, point. Forward rock, toaster step, cross, back, side, close. So what I will do with this one is I'll just go through it with the counts so you can see exactly what that timing is like. Walking forward, up on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Side rock. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Forward rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward rock again. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hopefully you can see what the timing is like. So that is your dance, but it's a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Walking forward, off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle. Side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross shuffle. Forward rock, toe, turn, cross, point, cross, point. Forward rock, toaster step, cross, back, side, close. Walk, walk, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle. Side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross shuffle. Forward rock, toe, turn, cross, point, cross, point. Forward rock, toaster step, cross, back, side, close. Walk, walk, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle. Side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross shuffle. Forward rock, turn, turn, cross, point, cross, point. Forward rock, toaster step, cross, back, side, close. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. rock. Forward rock into your toe step. Walks. Side rock. Forward rock. Forward rock, full step. Walks. Side rock. Forward rock. Forward rock, toe step. Walks. Side rock. Forward rock. Forward rock, toe step. Hope you managed that one.